In this video, I'll guide you through how to cancel a Moneygram transfer. Maybe you've realized a mistake or simply changed your mind about sending money and need a quick solution. Don't worry, I'm here to help you navigate through this process effortlessly. First things first, you'll want to grab your phone and open up the Moneygram app. Make sure you're logged into your account. This is crucial because all the steps we're about to take require you to access your personal transaction history. Once you're logged in, head over to your recent transactions. This is where you'll find a list of all the transfers you've made. From this list, locate the specific transfer you wish to cancel. It's important to select the right one, so take a moment to double check the details if necessary. After selecting the transaction, tap on View Details. This action will provide you with more information about the transfer and allow us to move on to the next step. As you scroll through the details, pay close attention to the status of your transfer. What you're looking for is whether the transfer is still processing. If it has not yet been received by the recipient, you're in luck. You should see an option that says Cancel Transaction. Now go ahead and tap on Cancel Transaction. MoneyGram will prompt you to confirm your choice. This step is critical because once you confirm, the cancellation process will begin. So if you're sure about your decision, go ahead and confirm. Once you've confirmed the cancellation, the transfer will officially be canceled. The money will be refunded to your original payment method, but keep in mind that the refund might not be instantaneous. Depending on your bank, it could take a few business days for the money to reflect in your account. This waiting period is perfectly normal, so no need to worry if it doesn't appear right away. And there you have it. That's how to cancel a MoneyGram transfer. By following these simple steps, you can easily manage your transactions and ensure your money is safe. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to share it with anyone who might need it. Thanks for watching and see you next time.